Okay, y'all. Excuse the mess in my house. I'm working on it. Here's the microwave. It's a Black & Decker. It's got a little... Let me turn my light on. Me and my kids are having to learn. They have to unlock it sometimes. So, yeah, I actually had a Black & Decker before I got this one, so... It's a good little microwave. It works and everything. I mean... See, sometimes it'll let you open it and then sometimes it won't. Like, you have to unlock it. That's what it looks like, though. Y'all see in it? It's just a regular old microwave. I mean, that's about the size of it. It's not really that big. I mean, I could have definitely got a bigger microwave, I guess. But for the price, it works, and you know, it's like name brand, so.
So, won't unlock. Instructions say, go ahead and press the door open button and then press the door button and open the door. So we're going to press the door open. Nothing. To deactivate or reactivate, press 7, press 9, and then hold for 3 seconds. So 7, 9, hold for 3 seconds. That locked it. Press 7, 9. 7, 9. Hold for 3 seconds. Shows unlocked. Still nothing. Can't get the food out. It's dead.
So this is our first one that we got, and it doesn't open. Push this lever, it doesn't open. You have to manually help it open, like that. So we submitted a replacement request for it, and then we got this one, which doesn't close. It just doesn't latch all the way, can be easily just open. So, would not recommend it. 2 defective units in a row.
This is my honest review of this Black & Decker mini microwave. It is, I call it mini because I think it's pretty small. I've got it here for my short-term rental. Wanted to get kind of a hotel room look, but this is what it looks like. It works really great. Super easy to clean, which I really appreciate. And yeah, love it and would highly recommend.
Ta-da! Ya está.
Only concern, yes, I had it for over a year, but it opens kind of like slower than it did before. Like, look. Yeah. You gotta push it. But it's still good. It's still good.